Hey everyone, it's Vahagn Stepanyan here. Today I'm excited to be the first to talk about the Insta360 X4 from a musician's and music director's perspective. Many of you have asked whether I use GoPro or Insta360 products, and let me tell you, this is hands down the best camera for musicians and music directors. If you are performing live, leading a band, or capturing concerts, this camera is a game changer. I have tested and owned all the action cameras you have been curious about, and in the end, I always come back to the Insta360 X4 because it's simply the best. Now I won't go too deep into the specs, there are plenty of reviews out there, but here is why this camera is a must-have for musicians. How many times have you checked your footage after a gig only to realize you were not in frame? With the X4, that's never a problem again. The most important difference of a 360-degree camera is it captures everything at the same time. That means you don't need to find the angle, point and hold your camera anymore. With the X4 you just start shooting and leave it alone. Even if the camera moves or shakes, you can crop, zoom and change angles after recording. No more stressing over camera placement. Just set it anywhere, recording 360 degree and reframe your shoots later in the Insta360 Studio app. For me, this feature is a lifesaver. I've played so many gigs where my camera fell off a shaky keyboard stand or was not angled right. But with the Insta360 X4, I capture everything perfectly every time. The second important feature is its image quality. Even not in an ideal lighting environment, the new 5nm AI chip delivers unbelievable clarity, making every performance look stunning. You might notice that in my 360-degree footage there is no selfie stick, but I was using one to hold the camera at the concert. This is another amazing feature to create the most immersive drone-like perspective for you. To wrap it up, this camera is not just a tool, it's a must-have for every musician. And now let me show you some exclusive concert footages and clips from this year's Grammy Awards, where I used the Insta360 X4 to shoot. And at the end, I would like to say a huge thank you to Insta360 for supporting this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.